Hey guys, I have a butterfly knife tutorial for you today. It's called the Quick Draw. I learned this from Cutlery Lover. So if you can't seem to figure out this tutorial I'm about to show you, you can just check out his video. It's about the same video though. So anyway, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start with the bite handle, and you're gonna make an upwards motion like this. Alright? Just like that. And if you can't seem to get it down, I recommend just practicing going like this for a while. Alright, so first I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, and at first a lot of people have trouble while the safe handle is flying up. They can't seem to move their hand or their thumb back in time, so it just hits their thumb. Or sometimes, you know, they don't have enough grip on it, so it just falls forward. I have a solution to that. When you're holding the bite handle, if you have a pocket clip, you can, the edge of the pocket clip, you can put it in between your pointer finger and your middle finger, just like this, and it kind of gives you, you know, a little bit extra grip. So if the butterfly knife moves forward, you have this blocking it, and if it moves back, you have a little bit of extra traction right there. So, alright, so I'll do it slow motion. What's going to happen is you're going to do an upwards motion with your wrist, and that's going to cause the gravity to cause the safe handle to move up. Alright, just like that. And you're going to have to move your thumb back, like that. And as soon as you hear it hit, close your thumb, because if not, it's going to happen. It's just going to fall back, and you're going to cut your finger with the bite handle. See, I have cuts all over my finger. That's not from this though. So, I also have a tip. When you're closing it, you can take your pointer finger and flick up on the tang, I think that's called. You can just flick up, and it makes it a lot easier. But I would not recommend doing that when you're flinging the bite handle, because the blade, if you're gonna do that, the blade will most likely cut you right around there. So again, oh, my bad. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.